Oh, sorry about that. Sorry, I must be hungry or something. Anyways, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Thanks for tuning in. I've noticed that sometimes someone can be really good at the data side of Bubble, but not very good at the design side of Bubble. So one thing that can help tremendously is by choosing the right color palette. Colors that complement or contrast well with each other is really important for a good, clean user experience. Let's go to this website to kind of get an idea of what you can do. Go to coolors.co. Let's start the generator and see what we got. So here are some random colors, and if you just press spacebar, it'll generate more colors. Really nice themes there, a really nice palette. So as soon as you get a palette you like, just copy the color, go into your app, and under Settings, General, fill in your color palette. Alright, there you go. That's your No Code Minute for today. Remember to like the video, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thanks!